Hey folks, it's Adam from 911 Studios, and I want to tell you about my, it's a Legiral massage gun. Legiral massage gun. It's a really nice gun. Tell you some of the neat aspects of it. First off, it has 20 different settings on it, 20 different speeds, which is really going to prove to be very powerful. Long-lasting battery, and on it, there's a little screen that shows you the battery life remaining from 100 to 0%. And you know when to charge. It also has auto shut off after 10 minutes, and for all intents and purposes, it is one of the most sturdy massage guns. I've had a chance to have quite a few of them, and this one is one of the more sturdy, heavy, and longer lasting batteries of the bunch. It's great for pain relief. It is rechargeable, no batteries of course, and it's just a very nice variable speed massage gun. Comes with Amazon Prime, which means A to Z guarantee. If you don't like it, you can send the thing back without having to worry about it. Any reason, just send the thing back and get your money back. So that's an amazing aspect of Amazon. They've got a great return policy, which includes, in many cases, you can just take it to Kohl's. You don't even have to box it up, and they will send it back for you. So pick this thing up. The Legiral, I've had a hard time saying that store, it's sent directly from them, and it averages a 5-star rating, which is absolutely fantastic. 5-star rating with over 21,000 ratings. That's absolutely unheard of. This is by far the massage gun to get. It's the best one on the market, in my opinion. So go ahead and pick one up today. You won't be disappointed.